In this question, energy stored is simple. Formula is there, half CV square. So option 4 is correct. Capacitor is charged with the battery and energy stored is U. This is half CV square or half Q square by this. Either this or this, both are the formula of energy stored, but P is constant, Q is constant. After disconnecting, so Q is constant. After disconnecting from the battery, charge is constant. Now, after disconnecting from the battery, at the same capacitor connected first, then energy is stored in each capacitor. So, here, this is the capacitor C, one more capacitor here, C. Now, the common potential we can find is the common potential formula क्या होगा C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2. Here C1 C2 is they are equal and V2 is 0. So V common potential equal to CV plus 0 upon C plus C. So V by 2. And energy stored initially is U, and now dash in each will be half C V square. So V square by 4, half CV square is U, so U by 4. In each capacitor energy is stored here is U by 4. So option here is second. Here in this question, energy per unit volume means it is called energy density. Energy per unit volume is energy density. Energy density. The formula here is half epsilon naught E square, where E is voltage difference divided by the gap. So here energy density will be half epsilon naught E V square by D square. This option 1 is correct. Question: there are two capacitors in parallel, so C will be C plus C by 2 will be 3C by 2 and with the voltage across it. So work done fully charging the condenser means work done will be equal to energy stored. That is what half C. C means here Cp C by 2 and V square. So it will be 3 by 4 C square. This is the work done or energy stored. So option here is 2 is correct. This question, a series combination of N1 capacitors. N1 capacitors of capacity C1 is 1, and here they are charged by the voltage 4V. So they are in series. Series means the capacitance overall it will be C1 by N1 and it charged with the voltage 4V. Second case here a C2 capacitor, they are in parallel combination. So here C2 and here again C2. How many capacitors are there? And 2. So they are also connected with the voltage battery V. Their effective capacitance will be N2 C2. so they are in parallel. Now, if the energy stored in it is same, in both the cases, total energy here is same. The energy will be half C. C means C1 upon N1, 4V square, 16V square equal to here, and C will be N2, C2 and V square. If these energy are equal, V square and by 2 cancel out. So here we can write C2. C2 will be 16 C1 upon N1 and 2. So option is correct. In this question, is capacitor C electrical field in between E and gap D area A, so energy stored, total energy stored here in the capacitor is energy density multiplied by the volume. So here we can write half epsilon naught square multiplied by the volume. So option here is C. So in this question, see the capacitance, A the electric content with the voltage, and after charging battery is disconnected, so Q is same. And now the electric content K is filled here. The change in energy, first part, will be final. Q is same, so we are using this formula Q square by 2C. C means here Kc minus initial half Q square by C. So here you are taking common Q square by 2C, it will be 1 by K minus 1. So this is the change in energy. Now Q can be written as square. So we can write here C square V square 1 by K minus 1 means here cancel out 1 by 2 C, एक C cancel केवल तो C आ गया half CV square 1 by K minus 1. So option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. तो लेना है incorrect. 2. Charge in the capacitor is not conserved. Charge is conserved here because battery is disconnected, so charge is same. Means this second part is wrong. Now third, potential energy. Potential difference, state potential difference तो K टाइम कम हो जाता है. Energy stored in half Q square by C. C क्या होगा कि C increase होगा तो ये K टाइम decrease हो जाएगा. So also correct. Third and fourth both are correct. So we have to find out the incorrect, means option 2 is correct. So incorrect निकालना था. This question, capacitor is charged by the battery and then battery removed, so Q is same. Q remains the same throughout and it is connected after charging with another uncharged capacitor of same capacity C. Then here common potential will be given by common potential will be C1 V1 plus C2 V है ही नहीं अनचार्ज है upon C plus C, so 2C. It means this common potential will be, we cancel out V by 2 and total final energy, potential energy is half C. C parallel में 2C हो गया C plus C and common potential का square, it will become 1 by 2 of half CV square and ये decreased by a factor of 2. Final potential energy is decreased by a factor of 1 by 2. So option here is 1 correct. Initially it is connected with A, so C1 is charged by the voltage V. Here energy stored in initially in C1 will be half C1 V square. then its connected terminal B. So here charge is conserved. It can be written this way also. अगर मैं इसे C2 से कनेक्ट कर दिया तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा फिर कॉमन पोटेंशियल C1B plus C2 अनचार्ज है upon C1 plus C2. So it will be C1B upon C1 plus C2. Now हमें डायरेक्टली निकलना है लॉस. डायरेक्टली निकल सकते हैं लॉस इन एनर्जी इन परसेंटेज. पहले लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी का क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? फाइनल नेगेटिव आ जाएगा. अगर इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल करेंगे तो पॉजिटिव, बट इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल पॉजिटिव होने से लॉस हो गया. अपॉन इनिशियल इंटू 100 is 1 minus u final upon u initial into 100. So 1 minus initial is half C1 square. Final half C हो जाएगा V कॉमन पोटेंशियल इसका स्क्वायर, C1 स्क्वायर V स्क्वायर अपॉन C1 प्लस C2 का एंड C1 C2 इक्वल है. In this question C1 is equal to C2. Let us say it is C. और C2 को भी हम C1 लिख देंगे 100. यहाँ पर ये जैसे ही C इक्वल हो गया, C1 को हमने C ले लिया, C2 को भी C ले लिया, तो ये C1 कैंसिल हो गया. एक यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 1 माइनस ये हाफ भी कैंसिल हो गया, V कैंसिल हो गया. 2 C1 C ले लेते हैं अपॉन 2C यानी 4 हो जाएगा. और C स्क्वायर ये भी कैंसिल होके हाफ आ गया. 200 1 माइनस हाफ मीन्स हाफ. 200 means 50. There is a loss of 50% energy loss. So option here is 3. In this question we modified this is central capacitor C, this one right one shorted means ये सिर्फ ये रह जाएगा सर्किट में. ये वाला थर्ड वाला C तो शॉर्ट हो गया. C और C पैरेलल में 2C. Effective capacitance will be plus C2C. Their option 2 is correct. Here we know polar dielectrics. Example here is water that is polarized, so dipole moment net is not zero, and positive and negative charge center not coinciding, and they are not symmetric also. So that's why here option 4 is correct. Question: there are 27 droplets, each of size is say radius r, and voltage of smaller one is 220 volts, 220 volts. If they combine, will bigger square of radius r, and here volume is same. सबको मिला करके एक बनाया. Total 27 droplets. So volume means final volume and initial volume totals must be same. So we can find out the relation between capital R and small r. Now voltage on smaller one will be K. Q is the charge on each, and capital Q is the charge on the final. So KQ upon R, and final will be V dash or V2. It will become K capital Q upon R Here capital Q is 27 times small q and radius r will be 3r. Then 9. So we can write here 9 kq by r. It means kq by is r1. v1 हो जाएगा इसका, तो हम लिखेंगे 9 इंटू v1 दिया है क्वेश्चन में 220 मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हो जाएगा 1980 वोल्ट्स. तो ऑप्शन हियर इज 4.